Yes, guys, today topic Linux. Okay, so here I'm going to cover like we have three types of like methods to like use in this Linux. One is L1 level, second one is L2 level, third one is L3 level. L1 is nothing but basic level. Okay, so in our operating systems, what are the basic commands we are using? So those commands I'm trying to cover next 2 days. So then after I will move into L2 level. Okay, so further once you are going into the Devops platforms, so I will cover you entire L1 to L3. Okay, so here you should know about Linux, why we are using and what are the commands we are using, and what is the complete infrastructure and how many flavors we have. So those are the things we should know about in this Linux platform. At least basic idea we need it. Okay, so if you have basic idea in this Linux, means you can easily like work with Devops tools. Okay, so first of all yeah, so here we have like different types of flavors. Okay, so OS is nothing but what is meaning of OS? So OS is, it's a operating system we can we can use with user friendly. Okay, so here we have different types of operating systems. One is like Windows operating system, Windows operating system, and the second one is Linux operating system. Linux operating system. Okay, so coming to Windows, so here we are using Windows 2019 base server. Like last class we like launched one base server, right? Did you remember, Shiva? So that is
Yes.
yeah. So one is base server, and we have Windows 2012 R2 relational. Okay, and Windows Vista. Okay, Vista. So this type of operating systems in regularly we use it in the Windows servers. So coming to Linux, we have different types of flavors. So like coming to Linux operating systems, we have Red Hat Linux operating system, like latest version 8, and we have Amazon Linux, and we have like Fedora operating system, and CentOS, and we have Kali Linux. Okay, so these many like flavors you can see it, and one more thing, Ubuntu. Okay, so these are all operating systems. Clear? So these many flavors are available. Okay, about Linux. Yeah, coming to this introduction, history of Linux. Actually this Linux like implemented Linux kernel in 1990. So in this he's a like completely involved into like Linux related platforms in the starting onwards, and he's started as a personal project. Okay, finished in this study level only. And coming to flavors, we have different types of flavors. Okay, so like Red OS, okay, Ubuntu, and few more flavors also available. So putty also having like operating system. Okay, and these many flavors are available in outside. Coming to versions, okay, how many versions we have? So this is about Red Hat Linux 1 to 9. Okay, so here we can like use RHEL. RHEL is nothing but Red Hat Enterprise Linux 1 to 7. So nowadays everyone using RHEL 8 version we are using. Okay, so this is about history of Linux versions, like Fedora 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 and 8 versions are available. So coming to features of Linux, so it is supporting operating system and multitasking, multi-user. Okay, so coming to operating systems, I hope you already know, right? So we can it is calling as like OS, and we are along with the source code and documentation, and multitasking is nothing but multiple applications are running into same time. So that's why we can call it as multitasking. Multi-user is nothing but multiple users login into in the mission, okay, and at the same time, and and also supporting to all hardware architecture probability. And coming to scalability and readability, so scalability is nothing but same operating system that can be maintained into desktop to it is also supporting to supercomputer as well. Okay, so reliability and security as well. Okay, so these are the like reliability is nothing but any doubt, without having any doubt when we can maintain. And security levels, so here we have high framework need to like maintain into Linux, no one hack our servers and everything. So these are the features basically we are using in our Linux. Installations previously they maintained like minimum hardware capacity, like processor, dual core, okay, RAM size and hard disk. So previously they used this like capacity, minimum capacity, so that they maintained some like VMs, okay, hard like rack servers also they used VMs. But thing is we are trying to moving into cloud environment, right? Yeah, so in this reason, if you take any Ubuntu or Red Hat Linux, we need minimum capacity 8 GB or 10 GB. Okay, coming to partitions, in our Windows we have like C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. Similarly in our Linux flavors also they maintained so this type of partitions, like / is nothing but it's a root. Okay, so root minimum size this much of MB. Okay, so 10,000 MB. So here USR, var, home and boot, SWAP, swap. So these are the partitions. Okay, so these are the partitions we are trying to maintain in our servers. Okay, so this is about minimum capacity. And installation steps, so previously they used to like set up in their VMs only virtual machines. Okay, so there are using to install this type of process, but thing is we are not following in this process. Why? Because we are maintaining into AWS operating systems. Means in this AWS console we need to take that like official images. So those images we are trying to launch. Okay, so coming to file systems, first of all I need to like set up any operating systems, then after we can go to file systems. Okay, let me take so if you want to like use any operating systems, first of all we need AWS console. So here you can go to aws.amazon.com. okay, amazon.com. so here in this console only we need to log in. Okay, go to my computer. So here select AWS management, console. If you have, like, whenever you created AWS account, you can directly log in. Otherwise you need to like create AWS account. Okay, so select root user. Here I'm providing my email address. Login as a root user. Yeah, here I'm entering my password. Yeah, so this is our AWS console page. So here go to services. In this, whenever you enter into in this console, you can select services. So here compute, open compute. In this location only you can like see EC2. EC2 is nothing but Elastic Cloud Computing. Elastic Cloud Computing. So in this Elastic Cloud Computing, we can call it as instance. So instance and EC2 and VMs and servers, so all are same, but thing is our pronunciation. Okay, so our terminology we are using, if it is whenever you used any AWS server, AWS cloud, we can call it as instance. So if you use any Azure, so they are calling as VMs. VMs is nothing but virtual machines. Okay, so we here in our AWS point of view, we can call it as instance or EC2 instance. Okay, so here we need to like launch instance. So try to launch instance. Yeah, so if you want to launch any instance, so here you can give name of the tag. Let me take any like Red Hat Linux. Here Red Hat Linux. So this is what? Operating system. Okay, and come down. Select any one, like take official flavor. So here we can see Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Windows. Here I'm selecting Red Hat Linux. Okay, so whenever you select Red Hat Linux, automatically it is taking like Red Hat Linux Enterprise 8 version. Okay, so it's a free tier eligibility. And come down. So here you can see 64-bit and T2 micro, it is supporting T2 micro. And come down. Key pair we already generated, right? Let me take same key pair here and come down. And here I am taking like security groups. So security groups, it's a completely security wise, our traffic we should controlling purpose, our firewall rules purpose, set the firewall rule purpose, we are using network setting. So here you can select existing security group and take default security group. Okay, so take default security group and capacity 10 GB. So here we are taking 10 GB default capacity of the server and number of instance. At a time you can like launch 100 also. Okay, but thing is, whenever you enter particular number or 1 or 2 or 10, whatever it is, so automatically you can launch at a time 10 servers. If you want to at a time 10 servers, means you can enter 10. Okay, so number of instance 1 only this time. And so I try to launch instance. Yeah, so successfully I launched one instance. Just open that one. Yes, so here I can see like Red Hat Linux operating system, instance ID, state is pending now. So select this server. So here I can see public IP and private IP. So we have every server, we have two types of IPs. One is public IP, second one is private IP. So public IP to connect our servers, private IP to communicate within the servers. So copy the public IP, copy this public IP and try to connect the server. How to connect this server? to connect through putty or mobexterum git bash terminal. So this time I'm trying to connect mobexterum. So select sessions, SSH, here specify user. So specify user, we are using EC2-user. So this is our default user, and try to attach our PEM file like this. Okay, so press OK. Yeah, so now I connected in that server. So here we will discuss basic Linux commands today. So please observe. Yeah, so here EC2 is nothing but username. Okay, @ this is our private IP. So public IP you can see it here above, and here it is showing $symbol. So $symbol acting like a normal user. It is, we can indicating to normal user. Okay, normal user. Okay, so coming to root, I want to switch to root user. If you want to switch to root user, we are using sudo su-. Sudo su means we are asking permissions. Sudo is nothing but we are asking permissions to root. So that's why sudo su is nothing but switch user -. So you are in which location? Root location. Okay, so now you are in which location? Root location. We are using sudo su- command. So this is our command. Okay, so this is our command. So then after we went to which location? Root location. Root @ private IP. So hash is nothing but it is, you are in which area? Root area. So that's why root user. So whenever you please observe here, $ is nothing but normal users, and hash symbol is nothing but it is like maintained into root user. Means you are in root location, you have full permissions. Clear? So this is the differences. And coming to Linux basic commands. So here first command pwd. Pwd is nothing but present working directory. Okay, so present working directory. Whenever you enter pwd, so here you can see it. So you are in like which location, which path you are in. Okay, so that's why you can like check with pwd, present working directory. So second command is who am I. Who am I also you can find in your location. Okay, so you are in which location? Root location. So which command we are using? Who am I. Okay, so that's why they are using this type of commands. And so this is our second command. So this is our first command, and this is second command, and here you can use third command, who am I. And fourth command, so here list of commands. So list of commands we can use ll and ls, ll-a, okay, and ls-a and ls-ltrh. So these are the commands for list of your like your files or everything. Okay, so list commands basically we are using this many commands. Okay, ll, ls, ll-a, ll-a and ls-ltrh. So if you want to see your files or anything, so we are using ll. It is showing totally 0. Total it is showing 0. ls also it is showing 0. empty. Okay, so you are in root location, right? You did not create anything, so that's why it is showing empty. So here we have default file structure. We have default file structure. If you want to see the default file structure, so we are using CD. CD is nothing but change directory. Change directory to which location? Root location. Now you are in which location? Now you are in which location? Forward slash. Forward slash is nothing but root. Okay, super user. And here press LL. LL is nothing but list of files. LL is nothing but list of files. So these files are default to folders. We can call it as default directories. Okay, we can call it as default directories. Okay, so here, yeah, so here you can see it now. LL is nothing but, so it's a list. You can see it, list of files or folders. Okay, so similarly you can use LS. So please observe the differences. LS, you can see all the timestamp. Your timestamp also available, permissions also available. You can see that permissions, everything you can see it now using LS command. And coming to using LL command, you can see all the timestamp and everything. So coming to LS, you can see only particular directories. You can see only particular directories, only for directories. Okay, so I want to see hidden files. Hidden files is nothing but, hidden files means whenever you stored any hidden items or any hidden things, you can check with -a. -a is nothing but attributes. Okay, so LL-A. So LL-A, here I can see like dot symbol folders. Okay, so these are all hidden folders. And you can use ls-a also. ls-a. Okay, so one more command also there, ls-ltrh. So ls-ltrh is nothing but, so here whenever you created one new file, so that file you can see it on below. You can see it on below. For example, let me create one folder, means we can call it as directory. mkdir means make directory. Here we are using like Devops classes. Okay, so I created one folder, means one directory. I want to see it now, ls-ltrh. So that folder just now I created, right? Just now I created. So you can see it below. You can see it below using this command. Okay, so these many commands we are using on list of items or list of like files or everything. Coming to like few more commands like cd. cd is nothing but change directory. cd is nothing but change directory. So here we can use, I want to go inside particular directory. We can go with like cd and give your folder name. Folder name. Okay, means we are going inside. If you want to go inside inside your directory or anything, we can go it. And I want to take it back. If you want to take it back, means we are using cd .. So .. is nothing but you are going back into directory. Okay, so otherwise you can use cd .. also. And one more command, cd .. So here thing is, if you want to go back, so we can use cd .. One step back, two step back, three step back. Okay, one step back, two step back, three step back. So that's why we can use this many commands. So here I am going back. If you want to go back, means cd .. Okay, you can use cd .. Okay, So I went one step back. Now I am in root location. Okay, so I want to go inside. If you want to go inside means like Devops classes, go inside. So now I am in which location? Devops classes folder location. Okay, clear? So here I want to create at a time. I want to create at a time 5 files. First of all, let me create one file, then after I will create 5 files at a time. Okay, so if you want to create any files, we can use touch command, touch F1. So touch F1, press LL. So this is our F1. F1 is nothing but file. Okay, so if you want to create at a time 5 files, we can use touch F2 space F3 space F4 space F5. So here you can see it, all 5 files. So file is like looking like a like this. Okay, looking like F1, F2, F3, right? So here we did not see any colors or anything, but thing is folder you can see it blue color. Okay, so file is nothing but you can see it like this. So you can use, like, if you want to create any files, create files. So we are using touch command, touch and file name, and here touch. I want to create multiple files means we can use file name 1 and file name 2. Okay, clear? So if you want to like create anything, files or everything, means how to like create folders. Tell me guys, how to create folders. What is that command?
Make a directory or something.
Yeah, make directory. So create folder. Which command we are using? Make directory. mkdir here. Folder name. I want to create multiple folders. Folder name 1 space folder name 2. Okay, like that. So in our Windows also easily we can create. Just I want to create just folder means how to create, just right click, new, and we can create folder, sample folder. If you want to create any files means just right click, new, and here we have a test document. Okay, so like that we can create folders, but in our operating systems through commands only we can create it. Okay, so through commands only we can create it. So if you want to go inside that particular folder, just double click it, you can go inside folder. But thing is here we should go inside folder means we are using cd. Cd is nothing but change directory. Okay, so like that. So now I am trying to create some folders. So make directory mkdir. Okay, so folder 1. Okay, otherwise you can take it as for your understanding purpose, Superman. I am writing Superman. Okay, so here I can see Superman, and make directory mkdir, and here Spider-Man. Okay, so here I have Superman, Spider-Man. Clear? So here I want to go inside Superman. I went Superman location. Now I am in which location? Superman folder location. So here you can create some files like touch, like Superman 1, Superman 2, like that. Okay, so I created 2 files, Superman 1 and Superman 2. So in this Superman 1 and 2 I need to like copy and paste into Spider-Man location. Okay, means Spider-Man folder. How to copy? Tell me how to copy and paste it. So we are using CP command. CP is nothing but copy. CP is nothing but copy. I want to copy Superman and Superman 1 and 2 and paste into which location? Spider-Man location. Okay, so how to copy Superman? Here I want to copy 1 and 2. So here no need to put 1 or 1 comma 2 like that. No need to put. Just you can maintain star. Star is nothing but all the files you can copy at a time. Okay, Superman 1 and 2 you are copying. Paste into which location? Spider. Spider stored into which location? Spider stored into which location? Spider folder stored into in this location. In this location. Okay. So here you need to give complete path /. Okay. So your folder. Which folder? Devops classes. Devops classes /. Which folder we need to take this time? Spider-Man. Okay, so now I need to go inside spider location. How to go inside spider location? You can go with directly, otherwise you can take it back. We can go back. How to go back? We can use a cd /. So now you are in which location? Devops classes. Press LL. So just now you went outside. I want to go inside which location this time? Spider-Man. Very good. So here I can see Superman. In our Spider-Man location I can see Superman 1 and 2. Okay, I can see Superman 1 and 2. Now I want to rename. Okay, so Spider-Man folder I can see only Spider-Man names only. So here you can rename also. Rename purpose we are using MV. Okay, rename purpose we are using MV. Okay, MV is nothing but rename purpose we are using. So here Superman 1 I am trying to change new name like Spider 1. Clear my point? Okay. So MV Superman 2 Spider 2. So in our Spider-Man location I can see Spider 1 and Spider 2 files. Clear? So here, so this is only running nodes only, so please try to understand. So here, so create so copy files from one location to another. Okay, so we are using CP copy and you give your file name. Okay, and then after /, and here you can give your path, your location path, and 10th one I want to move, right? Yeah, copy. Then after move commands means we are using which one? MV. Move is nothing but here it is acting like that. I will tell you one thing. MV is acting like that two ways. One is we can renaming purpose also we can use, and we can use for cut and paste. We can use cut and paste also. I will show you. So MV old name. So this is our rename purpose. New name. So just now we changed like Superman file to Spider. Okay, so move mv, and 11th one, and we can use cut also, cut command also we can use mv, cut command also we can use mv. Mv is nothing but, so we are using cut and move purpose also. So here give your file name, and set that path, means location path. You can maintain your location path, clear. So try it now. So here I have spider 1 and 2, right? I am using mv this time, again mv. I can take spider, and star. Wait a second. Yeah, so forward slash. So then after here we can give so here you can move to which another location, like Superman location. Let me go in, move to Superman location. Okay, so Devops classes and forward slash. So this time I'm going to Superman location. So press LL. So that data, it's gone. That data, spider 1 and 2 gone. So stored into which location? Superman location. Go back and try and check it now. Superman, and here I can see Superman 1 and 2, Spider-Man 1 and 2, Spider 1 2. Okay, clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
I have a small doubt. Previously, we used the command like mv to cut this Superman 1 and 2. Then after we pasted in Spider-Man. But again this Superman 1 and 2 came. We pasted and removed here.
See. So here first we used copy command.
Okay. So I thought okay.
Copy and paste it.
Fine.
Okay. So this time we used cut.
Okay.
Cut and paste. Okay.
Got it.
Yes. Then after 12th one, we can use for delete our files and folders. So here we are using rm and file name. Rm is nothing but remove, and we can use rm minus f. F is nothing but forcefully we are removing, and rm minus rf, recursive forcefully. Okay, clear? Rm is nothing but remove our files, f is nothing but forcefully, rf is nothing but recursive forcefully. You can use these commands for deleting purpose. Yeah, so now I'm trying to delete one by one. Rm. So here recursive forceful means permanently we are trying to delete. Okay, completely. Okay, we can't take it back or undo. Okay. Yeah. So rm
Forcefully means normal deleting.
No. So here I will show you differences. Here I am giving rm and give any spider 1. Okay, spider 1. Okay, so it is asking, okay, remove regular empty file spider 1 and question mark. Here you can mention yes, so that time only it should be removed. Whenever you used rm-f, so it won't ask anything. Okay, so directly we are removing. So that is the differences. Rm file name, rm minus f file name, rm minus f file name. Okay, clear my point?
Okay.
Yeah, so here I want to remove 2 files at a time. How to remove? rm-f superman star put star. Okay, I'm removed 2 files at a time. So this folder means this directory, it is empty now. Okay, total it is showing 0. And now go back, one step back, and press LL. So I want to remove, this time I want to remove folders. If you want to remove folders, you can use rm-rf, recursive forcefully, and you can mention your superman. Okay, superman gone. We are using rm-rf. Okay, so similarly rm-rf Spider-Man also gone. Okay, clear? Yeah, so like that we can delete. So these are all basic commands and okay, so just మనం ఏదైతే ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ విండోస్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ను వాడుతున్నామో సో అదే విధంగా లైనక్స్ కమాండ్స్ని మనం అట్లా వాడాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, విండోస్ని ఏ విధంగా వాడుతున్నామో లైనక్స్ కమాండ్స్ ద్వారా మన యొక్క ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ లైక్ రెడ్ హ్యాట్ లైనక్స్ కానీ ఉబంటు కానీ ఫెడోరా కానీ ఎనీథింగ్. సో ఇవన్నీ బేసిక్ కమాండ్స్. Clear? Yeah. So up to this you can practice.
Now a small dot on the RF file. rm-rf is there, no?
Yes.
In that, so can we delete the multiple folders?
Yes, we can delete.
Can you please show me that one? So here we have given F1, F2.
Okay, folder kt folder. Let me take kt folder 1, kt folder 2, kt folder 3. Okay, so here I can see 2 folders, rm-rf kt folder. You can use star. Okay, otherwise kt folder 1 directly you can use star. That's it.
Okay.
So
Fine.
okay,
Thank you.
yeah, so tomorrow we will discuss about file systems. Okay, so file system is nothing but, so defaultly we can see this type of directories. So what is the benefit of directories, why we are using, what are the concepts inside directory, what are the things we need to do. Okay, so we will discuss later. Clear? Yeah. So up to here you can practice. And one more thing, here you can enter history also. History is nothing but, so all the whatever you enter past commands, whatever, whether it is right or not wrong, you can observe in this history only. Okay, I entered this many commands up to history. You can copy and saved into somewhere. Okay, lab work, you can maintain lab work 1. Okay, so these are the commands. So try to complete these commands.
Okay.
So that's all for today.